All right, mate. Let's have a look here. Um, do I think it'll pull back to below 40 or even 35? That that is that's asking quite a lot. Is it possible? In my video yesterday, I talked about gold had that dip. It had basically a failure, and we got something, whatever, something like that. For example, it did get that dip. What I will say is, that pump today, as long as we're green here, can we have a fifth week to the upside? As long as we're green here, you have to be bullish. But in my opinion, 5 green weeks may be pushing it, right? How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I mean, we had 7 here before getting a dip. This is not really a topping candle as such. But as long as we're green here, we have to be bullish. Personally, I think, I think that we do roll over a bit and dip back into the middle of this candle. So I would probably say, that we should at some point see this flip red on the week. Now, will I be wrong about that? I'm not sure, but I think it's possible. Like, see this candle right here? I don't really like this hanging man candle. This hanging man candle, if we close like this in 21 hours time, what can happen then is we can do this. We can then on Tuesday flip red and move down from this. Look at this one. See the way we had well, it's a doji, but you can see the way it opened up the next day and we continued down. You can see this doji right here. We closed a similar narrow body candle like this with a wick down here, and then the next one opened up and we went downwards. Is there any other examples of that? Yeah, right here. Look at this doji right here. And then we opened up the next 3-day candle and went down. Okay, so we just need to be careful of it because we've gone up so far. Like, even we created one here as well. Look at this. We even created one here. And then the next day we opened up and went down. We went down, we stop hunted the lows, and then we pump right back up. So, there's 3 or 4 examples in a row when we had these candles, and every single time they went down the next candle. So this next candle tomorrow, we could see some red to the downside if we don't close green on this 3-day candle. So tomorrow we need to be very careful in case there is that bit of a rollover. If we finish green today, it's definitely a bit of an improvement, but we need to watch to see how this closes. Then we need to see where it can roll over. But tomorrow may be a short on Bitcoin if we are going to close like this.